1. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world, capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour. It uses its incredible speed to hunt antelopes and other prey. Cheetahs help maintain ecological balance by controlling herbivore populations. 2. Pronghorn antelope. The pronghorn is the second fastest land animal, capable of running at speeds up to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour. Its endurance allows it to escape predators over long distances. It contributes to grassland ecosystems through grazing. 3. Springbok. Springboks can reach speeds of about 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour, and are famous for their high leaps called pronking. They help disperse seeds and maintain healthy grasslands. 4. Quarter horse. This horse breed can sprint at speeds of around 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour. Quarter horses are widely used in racing, ranch work, and equestrian sports, supporting agriculture and recreation. 5. Blue wildebeest. The blue wildebeest can run up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. It plays an important role in African ecosystems by grazing and providing food for predators. 6. Lion. Lions can sprint at speeds of about 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, for short distances. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations and maintain ecosystem balance. 7. Black buck. The black buck is one of the fastest antelopes, reaching speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. It contributes to biodiversity and grassland health through grazing activities. 8. Greyhound. Greyhounds can run at speeds of around 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. They are known for racing and companionship, and they are often used in athletic competitions. 9. Elk. Elk can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. They help shape forest and grassland ecosystems through grazing and seed dispersal. 10. Coyote. Coyotes can run at speeds of approximately 43 miles per hour, 69 kilometers per hour. They help control rodent populations and contribute to ecological balance. 11. African wild dog. African wild dogs can run up to 44 miles per hour, 71 kilometers per hour, and are highly efficient pack hunters. They help regulate populations of herbivorous animals. 12. Hare. Hares can reach speeds of around 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. They serve as an important food source for many predators and aid in seed dispersal. 13. Kangaroo. Some kangaroo species can travel at speeds of 44 miles per hour, 71 kilometers per hour. Kangaroos help maintain vegetation balance and spread seeds across large areas. 14. Ostrich. The ostrich is the fastest bird on land, capable of running at speeds up to 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. It helps disperse seeds and contributes to ecosystem diversity. 15. Red kangaroo. The red kangaroo can reach speeds of about 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. It plays a significant role in Australia's grassland ecosystems through grazing. 16. Thomson's gazelle. Thomson's gazelles can run at speeds of approximately 43 miles per hour, 69 kilometers per hour. They are an important prey species and help sustain predator populations. 17. Whippet. Whippets can reach speeds of around 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. They are popular companion animals and participate in racing and agility sports. 18. Jackrabbit. Jackrabbits can run up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour. They help maintain plant diversity and serve as prey for numerous predators. 19. Reindeer. Reindeer can reach speeds of about 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. They contribute to Arctic ecosystems through grazing and nutrient cycling. 20. Zebra. Zebras can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour. Their grazing habits help maintain grassland ecosystems, and they are a key part of the African food chain. 21. Moose. Despite their large size, moose can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. They help shape forest vegetation and provide ecological benefits through browsing activities.